Hello, I'm Glenn, and I'm still talking fishing. I think I've got several videos out there. Well, about I talk about fishing, and in this round, I'm talking about stringers. You know, if you're gonna go fishing and you're gonna go keep your fish, well, you definitely want a stringer. Uh, but in the past, I've just gotten those one stringers where you 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 have a line. It's got a little needle-like thing on the end, a little loop on the other end. You put it through, and um, you have the fish on there. But when I'm kayaking and I'm got the fish and it's slippery and it may fall out, I've had them fall out before I've been able to get on the stringer. So I learned about, I call it the tennis ball stringer. And bottom line, all it is I've got a D clip. There's another clip on there too, but you just really need just the D clip. I got some paracord and I got a tennis ball that I poked the hole through, ran the paracord through there, and there you go. That is the tennis ball stringer. All right. And what I'll do then is I'll hook this onto the little bungee cord thing on the back of my kayak, and I throw this out there, and it just kind of floats behind me, and just kind of floats along behind me, ready to go whenever I do catch a fish. And then when I do catch a fish, previously I was using, let's see if I can get it here so you can hear the noise. I was using actually shower clips right there. That's the shower clip piece right here. And I would even sharpen them a little bit, and they were kind of a little tight, or not tight, but loose, and they eventually a good-sized catfish would twist off easily. So then someone told me, hey, get those laundry pins right there. All right, and with these laundry pins, I am able to undo and get it to the sharp point, pull it through the or push it through the fish's mouth, and then lock it in place after I've secured the line, or secured it onto the line, and close it. And the whole time I've got the catfish in the kayak cockpit area where I'm inside. So if it does drop, hopefully it doesn't poke me. Well, it has been poked before. But anyways, it'll fall into the kayak instead of back into the water, and get it on there secured, and basically the tennis ball stops it. And I've had pretty good success with this so far. So, hey, keep that back pocket if you want to not lose some fish as you're trying to put it on the stringer, and you just want an easier way to keep this on your kayak while you're out there kayaking. I also use it on my John boat too, but mainly for the kayak because, well, it's a lot quicker to hit the lake with that kayak and be out there doing some fishing. All right, give this tip a try. Laundry pin, paracord, tennis ball, D-clip. Something landed. Oh yeah, it's barely on, but we got him. I got the blue cat, and we'll just put it on the stringer by using our handy dandy pin, and we'll grab our dually here, our tennis ball stringer, get it on there, lock it in place, and we should be good to go. All right, let's see if we can go and rebait and catch another one.